Hello! In this video, we are going to learn the features and capabilities of the image editor. The image editor allows you to modify and alter your uploaded images to ensure it contains the best representation of the design or fabric. Let's begin! The image editor is a feature within the image library. To access the image editor, first bring up your image library. From within a project, open the image library by choosing the icon from the left side navigation or from within the block editor. Your uploaded images are now displayed. If you do not have any images, you will want to upload an image to be able to use the image editor features. Each image has an icon labeled Edit/Adjust. This allows you to open the image editor for that specific image. Locate an image you wish to edit and click the Edit/Adjust icon button. The image editor appears, with the chosen image loaded, ready for editing. Let's take a quick tour of the interface. Along the top you have the editor tools. The tools include features such as crop, flip, and rotate. If your screen is large enough, you may see additional image information on the right side. This panel will be hidden on smaller devices and screens. The save and cancel buttons are at the bottom. Let's look at each of the tools and how they work. Let's first look at the Rotate tool. The Rotate tool allows you to rotate the image. Selecting the Rotate option from the Tools menu gives you a sub-menu with options for how you want to alter your image. You can choose from the available options: 1. 90 degrees clockwise. 2. 90 degrees counterclockwise. 3. 180 degrees. You can select any option more than once and, in any order, to achieve your desired orientation. If we select the 90 degrees clockwise option, the image rotates 90 degrees in the clockwise direction. If we then choose the 90 degrees counterclockwise, the image rotates from its current orientation 90 degrees in the counterclockwise direction. Let's now look at the Flip tool. The Flip tool allows you to flip the image either horizontally or vertically. Selecting the Flip option from the Tools menu gives you a sub-menu with options for how you want to alter your image. You can choose from the available options: 1. Horizontal, 2. Vertical. Choosing an option will flip the image in that direction based on its current orientation. If we select horizontal, the image flips in the horizontal direction. If we select vertical, the image flips in the vertical direction. This can be used in combination with the Rotate tool to achieve the desired results. Let's now look at the Crop tool. The Crop tool allows you to crop or zoom the image to focus in on only the desired area. The Crop tool is useful when working with images taken with a camera or smartphone. When selecting the Crop tool, the interface changes to the crop mode. A rectangle is created around the image with anchor points in each of the 4 corners. To crop the image to a specific area, drag any of the anchor points inwards to create a smaller crop area, or drag the crop area around to locate a specific place. The highlighted or visible area will be the resulting image. The darker or grayed out area will be portions of the image that will be discarded. You can also zoom the image by using the scroll wheel on your mouse. Scrolling up and down zooms in or out. This allows you to zoom or focus in on more specific areas of the image. Use a combination of moving any of the anchor points, moving the crop area, and zooming in or out to achieve the area of the image you wish to keep. Only the highlighted area will be kept and the darker or grayed out areas will be discarded. When satisfied with the results, choose the Done option from the toolbar. This will save your cropped area and exit crop mode. You can also choose Cancel to undo any changes made. When completed with all the image edits, it is time to save your image. There are 2 options for saving your edits. 1. Selecting the Save button will save and overwrite the original image. 2. Selecting the down arrow on the button will reveal another option to save as new image. This will keep the original, unchanged, image and save your edited image as a new image in your image library. Upon selecting Save or Cancel, the image editor window closes and takes you back to the image library. Thank you for watching and learning about the features of the image editor from CINCH Quilt. And remember, your creativity is your superpower. Wield it with confidence and watch as dreams become reality.